Hey, welcome to this new tutorial on your channel of to Office. One of the most time consuming and irksome tasks in Microsoft Word is cleaning the text copied from some external sources like web pages or some PDF files. This kind of text contains extra hard returns, page breaks, section breaks, white spaces, hyperlinks, citations, graphics, etc. Now it's really a challenge to manually scrub clean it one by one. So let us learn how to do it within 5 minutes. First of all, we will fetch some random text in this Word file. Now most of you might not be knowing that even MS Word has rand formula like Excel that we can use to generate some random text in Word. RAND 4 paragraphs of 3 sentences each. So you can see MS Word has automatically generated 4 random paragraphs. But my intention is not to show you how to generate the random text, but to demonstrate how to clean the text that we generally copy from external sources. I have divided this video in 2 parts. In first part, I will show you the method of cleaning text when I copy text from some web page. And in another part, I will be showing you the text copied from PDF sources. So let us begin. I'm going to copy a Wikipedia page on basketball legend Sir Michael Jordan. So I will copy it from here. Now we go to Home tab and click on this icon. Clicking on this icon will show you all paragraph marks and other hidden formatting symbols. When we go through this text, we come to know there are no additional hard returns in between the lines, but we have got extra white spaces, hyperlinks, citations that we need to quickly get rid of. Now if you right click on any text with hyperlink like I'm doing here, MS Word will provide you with the option of removing hyperlink, which I can do it, but I cannot do it one by one manually. But the moment I select the entire text and right click, the option of removing hyperlink disappears. Now what to do? No worries. We will select the entire text and press Ctrl Shift and F9, and all your hyperlinks have disappeared, you can see. Now coming to citations. By citation I mean these 514. While looking for a solution on how to remove citations, I browsed so many articles and found nothing satisfactory. You yourself can give a shot to search, but I claim to have devised a simple way to get rid of this as well. Select any citations you wish and go to select text with similar formatting. And press delete. All citations signed have been removed. Lastly, we need to take care of extra spaces or so-called white spaces. Now we will go to find and replace dialog box with pressing Ctrl H, or we can go to that dialog box from here also, replace. Press special, white spaces, or you can simply press W. That is, I am removing all the extra spaces with single space. Replace all. You can justify the text with Ctrl J or by navigating through the home menu by pressing this icon, Ctrl J, justify. We also need to get rid of these graphics. Press Ctrl A, Ctrl H, spatial, graphics, replace with nothing, replace all. That's it. Now in second part of the video, we copy a text from the PDF source. But when copied to Word, it needs some serious washing and cleaning. First of all, we will take care of the genuine hard returns, which is at the end of the paragraph. So we will, for time being, manually enter one more hard return there, like here and here. We replace now these manually hard returned characters with any character that is not likely to be present in the copied text. What I mean to say, Ctrl H. These paragraph marks with OK. Coming back to the text again, now we can very comfortably replace the line breaks or the page breaks or the hard return with a single space. I'm looking for line breaks. Is it there? I'm replacing it with space. And now the actual page break that was replaced by some other character will be restored again. And lastly, we will remove all the white spaces as per the method I told you about in the beginning of the video. That is replacing $W with a single space. You can now justify it. And you are done. I hope you found this video useful. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to accept notifications of all new videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.